Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm a librarian at the Bridgewater Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to fold some origami. Origami is pretty easy. I think it gets a little bit of a bad rap, but it's actually not very hard. It's something I taught myself how to do about 6 years ago. Today I'm going to show you the ox or bull face fold because 2021 is the year of the ox in the Chinese zodiac. So this is what the finished product will look like. After you finish folding, you can go ahead and draw a little face on it like I have done here. The only thing that you need to fold origami is a piece of paper cut into a perfect square. If you have actual origami paper, that's great. If you want to get some, it's readily available at craft stores or online for like hardly any money. If you have origami paper that has a pattern on it, like this one, that's totally fine. This was a piece of paper that had a pattern on it, and as you see, it came out pretty cool. And if your pattern paper is colored on the back and you'd rather just use that side, you're welcome to do that. If you don't have origami paper, regular printer paper will work just fine. The thinner the paper is, the easier it is to fold and the better your finished product will look. Origami really depends mostly on precise and really strong creases. So as long as you're pressing really hard, you'll be good to go, but something like construction paper is probably not the best option. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here we have our piece of paper. This is actually a piece of paper with a pattern on it. So I'm just going to use the red side. I think that's a good color for a bull. So I'm going to start with the side that I want to be the face down. And our first step is going to just be folding diagonally both ways. So I'm going to take my paper, fold it diagonally one way, unfold, and then fold it diagonally the other way, and then unfold. Then flip it over. This is probably the hardest step in the entire fold. Basically, you're going to have these creases that you just created be the sides of this triangle. So you're going to press these sides in as you fold the paper sort of in on itself. This is what the bottom looks like as I'm doing that. And then once you have it, you can place it back down on the table to position it as you press those insides down, so it becomes this compact little triangle. So now, with the top point of the triangle facing you, you're going to take the right side. Actually, before you do that, just go ahead and fold it all the way over, just so we have this center crease line here. That's going to just be a guiding point for us. So we'll go ahead and fold the right side in, not all the way to the center line, leaving about maybe a centimeter there. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, again, leaving just a little bit of space before that center line. Okay, so it looks like this right now. Then we're going to take the top area that we just created, this little triangle, and fold that point over. So we're just making the triangle into a smaller triangle. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right. Now we're going to start on the right side again. take this right side triangle and fold it all the way over as far as it will go. And then we're going to fold it back on itself, not opening the fold, but rather creating another fold back on top of the fold that we just created forward, so that you end up with this little sort of zigzaggy, what's going to be the ear. Okay, and then we're going to do that again on the other side. So we're going to fold all the way over as far as it will go, and then fold back. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do is fold the bottom up. All right, and then flip it over, and there you have it, your little bull face. Now, if you want to draw a face on it, I started down here with the nostrils. And then I drew some little eyes and some eyelashes. And there you have it. All right, have fun folding and Happy New Year, everybody.